For nacre, nacre, also known as mother of rock, is a crystalline substance that creates the iridescent visual effect attributes to corals. Nacre is an organic substance secreted by mollusks over an intruding irritant or implanted nucleus. It is a strong and resilient material that is lightweight and transparent, allowing to pass through its surface, creating a supple glow on the pore surface. The composition of nacre. Nacre is composed primarily of crystallized calcium carbonate and conchiolin. Conchiolin is a dark color substance secreted by the mollusk during the initial phases of the pearl formation. Conchiolin is an organic protein that acts as a form of glue or adhesive. Generally, it is the first layer deposited by the pores. Conchiolin surrounds the bead nucleus or irritant and functions as a base coat that will cause the first one nacre layers to bind together. The brownish material does not always confine itself to the initial coating and may be observed throughout the nacreous stratum in culture poles that have been cross-sectioned. Nacre is composed of aragonite platelet. Crystallized calcium carbonate contains millions of aragonite platelets, elastic biopolymers such as lutrin and chitin, and silk-like proteins. Aragonite platelets are so minuscule they can only be viewed using a minimum power 2000 times electron microscope, hexagonal and polygonal in shape. The average size of a single platelet ranges between 0.35 to 0.5 microns thick and 3.0 to 6.0 microns across. Aragonite in its crystal form can be found all over the world. However, due to its low 3 to 4 Mohs scale rating, it is considered a soft gem when combined with the organic biopolymers and proteins that the mollusk naturally secretes. The substance becomes remarkably strong and repels silicon impermeability. The mollusk continues to secrete concentric layers of nacre around the nucleus at irregular intervals. Microns, thin sheets of crystalline material are laid down in stars and scopes and do not fit perfectly together, resulting in a delicate lacework of rich and sure similar to a topographical map detailing mountainous regions and valleys. These patterns are often referred to as the Pearl's-own fingerprint. Its layers is singularly unique in composition and has no equal. Nacre is the beauty of a pearl. The exact shape and size of the aragonite platelets are ultimately what influences a pearl's two most important quality attributes, luster and orient. The platelet's own thinness and transparency is comparable to a wavelength of white light, which makes the transmission and refraction of lightness possible throughout the crystalline layers. Upon coming into contact with the surface of the pearl, a significant percentage of white light is able to penetrate the top layer and work its way through the nacre strata. Each platelet that the light comes into contact with acts as a tiny prism, breaking up the beam and reflecting back a supple rainbow of color that is visible on the surface of the pearl.